The availability of credit is both an American dream as well as an American nightmare.
The days of easy credit cards for college students are largely over.
New consumer protections regulating credit cards take effect today, and American college students are taking notice, like these ones attending this debt panel at Fordham University in New York.
It just was something that was so easy just to swipe it, and, I could tell myself I was actually benefiting myself by building this credit history. It's just one of those things where you don't really think about the risks until it's there in front of you in your statement.
The new rules set limits on how credit card companies can raise rates and fees, a problem that has hit Americans of all ages. But new protections for those 21 and under mean many college students now have to prove that they can pay their balance in full or have a cosigner on the account. According to Sallie Mae, 84% of undergraduates have at least one credit card, and they're carrying record high balances, averaging in excess of $3,000. And with the nation's economic downturn, students are charging more than ever before, even for necessities like textbooks just to get by.
As soon as I would get it down a little bit, there'd be another debt that I had to put on, some sort of medical bill or, textbooks. So it would just always feel like it was like a weight that I couldn't get out from underneath.
That weight can be a burden students carry with them well into adulthood. Until now, credit card companies targeted students with enticing terms.
They were flashing, like 0 APR or like no payments for the first year, you get this and this platinum card.
But those terms later reset much higher. Still, even wary students often feel compelled to open accounts. Why? To start building their credit. But here's the problem. As the debt piles higher, many students end up hurting their credit scores for years beyond graduation. Starting today, credit card companies are prohibited from offering giveaways of any kind to students on or near a college campus. And Congress is strongly encouraging universities to offer credit card and debt education. Here at Fordham University in New York and at a growing number of colleges across the country, they are doing just that. In New York, Poppy Harlow, CNNMoney.com.